Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English conversation practice show today. I'm so happy you are here with us. This podcast helps you practice real English conversations every day. We use simple words that you hear all the time. Today we will learn how to talk about daily activities. These are things you do every single day at home. Let me speak slowly so you can follow along easily. Feel free to repeat the words after me anytime. Are you ready to practice English together today? Great! Let us start our conversation practice session right now. Good morning. How did you sleep last night? This is how we greet people in the morning time. I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning. I always set my alarm clock before going to sleep. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a quick shower to feel fresh. What do you usually eat for breakfast every day? I like to have coffee and toast with butter. My friend always drinks orange juice in the morning. She says it gives her energy for work. Do you make your bed after you wake up? This is a good habit to start your day. I put on my clothes and check the weather. Then I decide what jacket I need today. Before leaving home, I grab my keys and phone. I never want to forget these important things. What time do you usually go to work? I leave my house at 8:30 every morning. The bus comes at 8:45 every weekday. Sometimes it is a few minutes late, though. I work in an office building downtown with many other people. My job starts at 9 o'clock. Do you like your job or school very much? I think my work is interesting most days. At lunchtime, I eat with my friends. We talk about our morning and share funny stories. My coworker always brings homemade food for lunch every day. It smells really good in the office. After work, I'm usually tired and ready. I want to go home and rest for a while. What do you do after work or school? I like to watch TV or read a good book. I need to go to the store today. I want to buy some milk, bread, and fresh fruit. The grocery store is just 5 minutes from here. I can walk there or drive my car. Excuse me, where can I find the milk, please? It is in the back of the store. How much does this apple cost per pound today? The price seems higher than last week now. I also need to stop at the bank. I want to get some cash from the machine outside. The post office is next to the bank building. I need to send a letter to my friend. Do you have a shopping list with you? I always write down what I need to buy. I forgot to bring my shopping bags from home. I will have to buy new ones today. My family is very important to me always. We try to spend time together every single week. I have 2 brothers and 1 younger sister. They all live in different cities now, though. We talk on the phone every Sunday afternoon. Sometimes we video call to see each other, too. My parents are getting older now, but healthy. I visit them once a month when possible. Do you have many close friends in your life? I have 3 really good friends from school. We meet for dinner once a month together. We go to different restaurants and try new food. My best friend lives in another country now, but we still message each other every day. It is important to keep in touch always. Good friends make life much better and more fun. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading books and listening to music. On weekends, I like to go for walks. The park near my house is very beautiful and peaceful. I am learning to cook new recipes at home. Yesterday I made pasta with tomato sauce successfully. Do you play any sports or exercise regularly? I go swimming twice a week at the local pool. I also like to watch movies on Friday nights. Comedy movies are my favorite type to watch. My hobby is taking photos of nature and animals. I have a small camera that I carry. Some people like to paint or draw pictures. These are very relaxing activities for many people. Reading helps me learn new things every day. I prefer books about history and travel stories. The weather is really nice today, isn't it? The sun is shining and there are no clouds. Yesterday it rained all day long and hard. I had to use my umbrella when walking outside. I love spring because flowers start to bloom. The trees get green leaves and look beautiful. Summer is my favorite season of the year. I like hot weather and going to the beach. In fall, the leaves change colors beautifully. They turn red, yellow, and orange before falling down. Winter can be very cold in some places. People wear heavy coats, gloves, and warm boots outside. Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather? I like warm days, but cool nights for sleeping. The weather report says it might snow tomorrow. I hope I can stay inside and drink tea. Thank you for practicing English conversation with me today. I hope you learned some useful new words. Remember to practice these conversations with your friends. Speaking English every day makes you better quickly. Try to use these simple phrases in real life. Don't be afraid to make mistakes while you learn. Next time we will talk about traveling and vacation activities. These conversations will be fun and helpful. Keep practicing English every single day if possible. Even 5 minutes of practice helps you improve significantly. Thank you for listening to our show today. Have a wonderful day and keep speaking English confidently. See you next time for more conversation practice. Good luck with your English learning journey ahead.